guys, I am here in Fairburn, Georgia. I am just checking on new construction home site that I have under contract for a client that is supposed to be closing before the end of the year. On-site agent is confident that it will close before the end of the year. I don't know about that, but she says it is. We'll see. My client would really love if it does, but let's see what happens. I'm hoping for the best, but it looks really good. We have drywall up, no cabinets or anything yet. No one here working right now, so I don't know. We'll see. Want to see the inside? I'll give you a tour. Come on.